Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I know I was not uploading videos lately, but I will be uploading more videos from now. Thanks for staying on this channel. So let's start it. As we are going through tough times and nowadays everyone is studying and taking classes from home. So during these times our motivation or will to study or doing any productive work also decreases because of the things that are going on in the world right now. Hopefully everything turn back to normal in coming days. Up until then, in this video, I will give you some tips that will surely help you in studying or in completing your assignments or any kind of work which you want to do in these days when you are at home every single day. So let's start it. Clean out your study space. Do you remember whenever we shift from one place to another, first thing we do is cleaning and organizing our stuff. Everything starts with cleaning and organizing. Whatever place you are studying, start from cleaning and organizing all your stuff. You can check it by yourself how your concentration increases just by sitting on an organized space. Dedicate a study area. It doesn't matter whether you are studying on a proper desk or bed table or even without table. What matter is it should be a dedicated study area, because when you dedicate a particular area for studying and doing your work every single day, it will automatically puts you in the mood of doing your work. You can even use a lamp on your study space, keep it on when you study and turn it back off when you are not studying. Tell your family members that you are studying. You need to tell your family members that you are going to study for this much hours, so that no one disturb you when you are at the peak of your concentration. If you don't tell them, then someone will come out of nowhere and break your momentum. So to save your study momentum, you need to tell your family members that you will be studying at this particular time. Remove distraction. This is the most common point you are familiar with whenever you start studying or doing any work that requires concentration. You need to avoid keeping cell phone nearby because it will distract you from notification. In case you are studying from your mobile phone, then consider using do not disturb mode. Keep water and some snacks with you so that you don't have to go in between your study session. Study with full concentration. Try to study with full concentration because you are also developing a habit. If you feel lack of focus while studying, then take a break in which you can drink some water or walk inside your room or house, or you can even do any light exercise like push-up, then sit back for study. Avoid using social media at this time because you will probably find something interesting that will take your focus away and you will realize it later after wasting your important time. Make your study sessions interesting. You can make your study session interesting by creating short notes in the form of flow chart or by writing 2-3 lines related to the topic. By doing this, you will be actively participating in the learning process. Actively participating in the study is very important. Otherwise, you will feel sleepy after few hours. You can also reward yourself every day in the end by watching your favorite show, or you can eat your favorite snack, or you can even take a nap if you want. Set achievable goals of study hours. This is very important because we usually waste our whole time on internet in doing so many things which are not helpful in any way, and next day we decide that we will study whole day, which is almost impossible because of our daily habits. So always set achievable goal of study hours. It doesn't matter whether you are studying for 5 to 7 hours on one day and no study continuously for next 2-3 days. It's better that you study 3 or 4 hours each day, but do it regularly. That will be beneficial for you in the long run. So these were some tips which I feel you find helpful. If you have any more tips and suggestions related to this video, or you want any particular video, you can leave it in the comment box below. And if you find value in this video, then don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.